Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure you're signed into the Google account whose Meet photo you want to change. Once signed in, go to Meet. Google.com or open the Google account menu from any Google app. Next, click your current avatar in the top right. This exposes the profile controls. You do this because Meet uses your Google profile image, so changing it here updates Meet. Make sure to choose the correct account before moving on, since switching later wastes time and can create confusion. Now change the photo inside your Google account settings. Select Change or Manage your profile photo, and then upload a new image or pick one you've used before. Once uploaded, use the crop and rotate tools to frame your face clearly. This ensures your thumbnail reads well at small sizes in meetings. After adjusting, click Save or Done. Because Meet pulls from this profile, make sure the image is clear and professional. If you plan to use a virtual background, choose a photo with contrast for better visibility. Finish by verifying the change in Google Meet. Reload the page and check your avatar in the meeting lobby or a test call. If the photo hasn't updated, sign out and sign back in, because propagation can take 5 to 10 minutes across Google services. If it still shows the old image, clear browser cache or open Meet in an incognito window. This rules out cached thumbnails. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure the image file meets size/type limits, since oversized images may fail to upload without clear error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.